Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well. My name is Ellen. It is so hot outside. It's been in the hundreds these past few weeks, and I'm craving some lemonade. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all another fantastic lemonade recipe. We're going to make a peach lemonade. How yummy does that sound? And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And if y'all fan of peach, y'all gonna love this lemonade and you will enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Slow Cooker Mac and Cheese. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your pitcher, your peaches, and juice up your lemons, sugar, because we're about to make some peach lemonade magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is zest up our lemons. We're going to use 3 lemons, and we're going to zest them using the small grated texture. All right, my friends, I am through zesting my lemons. Now we need the juice. We need 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. So we're going to roll it. Rolling it will give us a nice juicy lemon. And we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to squeeze it into our measuring cup. And I'm using my mesh strainer to catch the seeds. And I'm using 7 large lemons. Alrighty, I've got my lemon juice together. Now we're going to get started on the peaches. I have 6 large yellow peaches. Aren't they pretty? And we're just going to dice them up. Just like that. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish dicing the rest of my peaches, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through dicing my peaches, and here's all of our ingredients. Our lemon zest, diced peaches, and fresh lemon juice, and it gave us exactly 1 cup. Now we are ready to make our peach syrup. Over here on my stove top, I have my saucepan. You can also cook this in a skillet. We're going to add in our diced peaches, and that's 3 cups with 6 peaches. Next, we're going to add in our grated lemon zest, 1½ cups of white sugar. Seems like a lot, but remember, we're making a peach syrup. And syrup like it nice and sweet. And last but not least, 2 cups of water. Give it a quick stir until it's well combined. I have my fire over medium heat, and all we do is bring it to a simmer. You don't want it to boil. Alright, my friends, the peaches have came to a simmer. So now we're going to let them cook until the sugar dissolves and the peaches have softened. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, let's take a look at the peaches, see have they softened. Excellent. Nice and fork tender. Now we are going to mash them using a potato masher to break them up. Okie dokie. So now we're going to let the mixture continue to simmer until it thickens slightly. Alright, my friends, the peach syrup is nice and thick. Perfect. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. So now we're going to cut the heat off and we're going to strain it. And I have my large bowl with the mesh strainer. So now using my spoon, I'm going to squeeze it to get the rest of the syrup. And we are going to discard the solids. Alrighty, and our peach syrup is complete. So now we're going to let it cool completely. And as soon as it cools, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the peach syrup is nice and cool. We are ready to build the lemonade. We're going to pour everything into my pitcher, starting with the peach syrup. And to give it an extra kick, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. Now we're going to add in our freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup, and 4 cups of cold water. Give it a stir until it's well blended. And that's it, my friends. Our peach lemonade is ready to serve. So now I'm about to pour it into my mason jars and then we'll give it a taste. I have 2 of my mason jars filled with ice. And there's a few more things we gotta add to them. A lemon slice, some diced peaches, and some fresh mint leaves. Just like that. Isn't that beautiful? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh peach lemonade. Doesn't that look good? And this will definitely quench up your thirst. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. Crisp, refreshing, nice sweet and tart balance. And I can taste the peach. Oh, and nothing like a nice cold glass of lemonade on a hot summer day. This peach lemonade is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Peach lemonade-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Much love and stay cool. Cheers!